Welcome back. If you go back to your vendor tab and you go to your customer tab, you will then be able to see all of your customer information as well as to be able to do customer-based research. It is at this point that if you have your customer's email address, you will then be able to search for information about a specific customer. You will then be able to sort for a specific period of time. And when you have actual transactions, you will be able to place your customer's email address in the search box to get information on all of their purchases. You will then see that customer's individual purchase. You'll also see their contact information. If you want to look at a specific transaction, you will be able to look at that transaction by clicking on this View button, and you'll be viewing the sale details for a specific purchase. And that is your customer tab, which you can use for customer research. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.